This is obviously not a Cambodian dish, but I love it so much. Here is how I make kimchi with some veggies that I could find easily and cheaply in my country. I always love using local grown veggies as it's less expensive and it helps local farmers too. But I just want to make it clear that I mean no disrespect to the traditional technique of making kimchi. Here are the ingredients: a napa cabbage, a Chinese turnip, a carrot, a ginger root, optional if you don't like ginger, a medium-sized onion, an apple, some garlics, 3 red shallots, chili powder for kimchi, and spring onions. And here's the list of it. Wrapping a napa cabbage by cutting it into 4 pieces. Then salt them well. Doing this will make the cabbage become soft, and its softness depends on your liking, so keep them with salt water as long as you like it to be. Keep them somewhere. Let's prepare veggies for kimchi sauce. First, just peeling off the onion. Cut it into 4 to make it easy for blending. It's the same process for apple, but you don't have to peel off the skin. Then filling of red shallots, and garlics too. In order to peel off ginger skin, you should always use a spoon. Then peeling off a Chinese turnip, cut it like I did in this video for a beautiful result. You don't have to do it like me, but make sure that your piece is not too big and thick. Do the same thing with the carrot. The flower-like carrot slices would look good in kimchi. Then slice peeled ginger into thin layers. Same thing with red shallots. Thinner is better in this case. Cut spring onions into 2, then cut the stalk parts into 2 or 3. It's time to check on our salted napa cabbage. Turn them upside down so the salt water can go to every part of them. Leave them there for a bit longer. Let's make kimchi sauce by blending prepared veggies together. but don't forget to put a bit of water in. Then blend them well until it becomes a paste. After that, we'll make kimchi porridge. Pour 2 cups of water into a pot. Then put a cup of glutinous flour into that pot with water. Stir it until the flour dissolves first. Then turn on the heat, stirring the solution until it becomes clear, like you can see in this video. Put the veggie paste, kimchi chili flakes, and the porridge in, mixing them well together. Then put 1 tablespoon of salt into it, and put the salted napa cabbages in. Make sure that your napa cabbage soaks well into the mixture. Then put your chopped veggies in. Keep these kimchis in containers. The traditional Korean clay pot would work better in my own opinion, but I don't have them at home, so I use plastic containers instead. After this, keep your kimchi outside for at least overnight. Then you can eat them with anything you like. You can use it as a side dish, make a soup, or even fried rice out of it. In another video, I'll show you how to make kimchi fried rice. If you like this video, please consider liking it and subscribe. That means a lot to me, and share it with your friends and family too. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.